Good day everyone, I'm Gian Bael Tampos and we're going to talk about the menstrual cycle. First, the menstrual cycle begins with egg maturation and endometrium thickening. The ovary releases the matured egg as the uterus lining thickens. The thick uterus becomes the embryo home if pregnancy occurs. If no pregnancy occurs, the endometrium breaks down. 5. The menstrual cycle typically lasts 28 days but can carry between 21 to 35 days. 6. The endocrine system regulates the menstrual cycle. 7. 7. FSH stimulates egg maturation during the first half of the cycle. 8. Estrogen from the developing egg thickens the endometrium. 9. Ovulation occurs around day 14 due to rising LH level. 10. The egg is released and travels through the fallopian tube. 11. It takes 7 days for the egg to reach the uterus. 12. Progesterone increases to maintain the endometrium's growth. 13. If unfertilized, hormone level drop and the cycle reset. That's all. Thank you.